Hey guys, what is up? I hope guys you're extremely well. In this video, we'll see how we can solve this problem. That is, sometimes we are facing that this taskbar actually not working or not responding. So how you can solve that problem? That is actually very easy. So what we need to do, that is we have to press in keyboard, that is Control plus Shift plus ESC button. Then we will see this pop up. Then just scroll down and go to the very deep. Then we can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click up mouse, then just click restart and then close that, and now we can see that actually it's working now. So for me actually, when I see this taskbar not responding, I am doing this process and it's start working perfectly. So yeah, so I hope that will also work for you. So yeah, thanks for watching.